Here at the Bedford Post Inn, and this is actually Richard Gere's restaurant. I've always wanted to come here because, you know, I was addicted to Pretty Woman. So it's so beautiful, you guys. We just ate. I had avocado toast. It was, oh my gosh, it was so good, seriously. And it is my anniversary today, so I got my red nails on. Now we're gonna go head into Greenwich to do some more fun stuff for the day. So we had breakfast. I had, again, the avocado toast. My husband had the farmhouse breakfast. So it's so beautiful here, guys. I can't believe it. I'm so happy. I always wanted to come here at least my whole life, at least 20 years. I don't know why I never came. It's so crazy. But anyway, we came now, so. We're here in Greenwich now. We just went to SAKS, and I actually just got this really nice coat my husband picked out for me. So it's a champagne colored Moncler. So I just love Moncler, but then I smell there's so many cute things here though I can't decide. But now we're gonna go to Hermes and a few other shops. So I figured just go ahead and do some shopping here in Greenwich. So it's actually 2 days later from my anniversary, but we have been so busy. But I know I had told you guys, I don't know if you saw it in my previous vlog, my husband's friend was coming, so he came. We had so much fun. We had a Friendsgiving, which I was like Friends Thanksgiving. We had a big Italian feast, and so that was really nice. And then I want to show you what I got for my anniversary. So I got this, my husband actually picked this out for me, so I love it even more. But I love it regardless. I mean, it's so beautiful. It's this jacket here. So it's this Moncler jacket, and my husband keeps saying it's the new color. It's the 2024, the new color of the season. So I'm so happy. It is like this beautiful champagne color. It's so warm. It was actually just freezing out, but because this is special material that you don't, it's thin, but you're so warm. So that's the good thing about it. And this is just how it looks, you know, with my outfit. But I'm so happy, guys, because I have a Moncler bomber jacket, but I never had a winter coat. So this is my first winter coat, Moncler. So love that. And I did get one more thing I gotta show you, so let me go ahead and grab it. And these, my husband got me these roses here. So aren't they beautiful? I tried to show you these the other day, but something weird happened. But look how beautiful they are. They're so big and so soft. They're like velvet. These are called hot pink color. So beautiful. Let me show you what else I got. And then he got me this beautiful card. Happiness is having you to love. Isn't that beautiful? I'm so blessed, guys. And then he also got me this Hermes jewelry piece that I'm going to show you. Here it is. We'll just do a little quick unboxing, but I already did unbox it, so I took the ribbon off already, but we'll just do a little teaser moment here. So here is the box that it came in, and here's the little pouch to keep it in. They said make sure you keep it in here because it's very delicate. It can break easily. So here it is, guys. This is the Chaine Chandon. So it symbolizes an unbreakable bond, and it's actually supposed to be it's reminiscent of the chain that holds the anchor to the ship. So even in the storms, even in the rough waters, nothing can break the chain. And so that's why it's really so special to me. My husband picked this out for me. And he also, this is actually, I don't know if it's showing up, but it's like a very pale pink color. So it's So beautiful. And it does have this gold toned hardware, and then the plating inside is gold, and then the outer trim is this kind of platinum color. So, and then this is also platinum color. So to open it, you just squeeze the two sides, and then this spins open. So I'll put it on now. And so to close it is the same thing. You just squeeze the sides and then flip. So you just, so that's it. Actually, this is my Saint Benedict bracelet, so I never take that off. Here's how it looks. I don't think it's really showing up good, but here's how it looks on. And so I just love it. It's so beautiful and so thoughtful. Actually, when he got it, he just liked the design of it, but we didn't realize what it symbolized. So again, it is just symbolizing so many beautiful things of, again, unbreakable bond. So wonderful. So that's really great, especially for our anniversary, you know, to have something that he picked out so special. So anyway, guys, that's pretty much it for now. I'll be back soon, and I'm gonna cook dinner now. I got so many good things at Whole Foods. I was gonna actually do like a meal prep video because I'm gonna prep a whole bunch of food. This stuff I got is so good. So let me know if you want to see that. I'm gonna start, you know, chicken thighs, and they had so many simmering sauces for different meats, so this way you can make them, you know, beforehand, and you have them from when you get hungry, you'll have them ready. I got squash. Oh, I wanted to show you, should I just show you guys now? But they had so many good things at the drugstore that I just picked up. I actually saw Kylie Cosmetics at the drugstore at CVS, so I guess I'll come back and show you that. But oh, I want to show you, okay, let me show you because you guys don't care. Let me go ahead and show you. But they had this at the drugstore, which I'm super excited to try. It's this SAKS RX, the snail mucin. And I know Chanel said she loves this. One of you, Beauty Chanel, said that she uses this. So I'm really excited. It's a little discovery kit. They had this at the drugstore, so this will probably make a great present for Christmas. I know I would have loved to get this as a present. That's why I gifted myself today. And I got a new gouache stone because the thing about these, I really like these, but if they fall, most of the time they will break. So I've broken quite a few. So I got another one, but they just had so many good things at the drugstore. I'm addicted to this now, so I got one of these. And again, they do have this at CVS. So this is that Bioderma, and it's the micellar water. So I use this with the winter wipe, and I'm so happy. I've never been so happy with my skin. And I used up the other bottle, so I got another one. And then this I got at Whole Foods. This is really nice because this is a body oil for sensitive skin, but it doesn't feel greasy. It doesn't feel gross on your skin. It feels so good. So on my hands, it felt like a dream. That's why I'm going to actually probably use this on my hands and maybe my chest, because my chest is very sensitive too. So I'll definitely use this on my chest, and well, definitely on my hands. And my hands, it feels so good. It made them look so much better too, because they were getting gross, kind of gross looking from you know, just the cold weather and washing dishes, things like that. But now they looked 100% better when I put this on. So that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to hop on and share what I got for my anniversary. This beautiful jacket, which I never want to take off. My bracelet, my Hermes bracelet, and we had so much fun at the Bedford Post Inn. The food was amazing, and we're actually going to go back again next week, so that's really nice. And my husband's friend came. He watched Hallmark movies. He loved it. So I made lasagna, like a healthy lasagna. He loved it, and I'm really happy because I didn't know how it was going to come out, but thank goodness it came out good, and he loved it. That's what matters. My husband liked it. He liked it, so that's what matters. And anyway, that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys are doing good, and I'll be back soon. I'm having lots of giveaways. Hopefully today I'm going to post a giveaway. I said I want to have lots of little giveaways, like at least 3 things. So, you know, just like 3 to 5 things, but really nice things, because I got some really great stuff in PR that I want to share with you, dolls. So I'm going to go ahead and put together little bundles so you guys could start I could get more prizes out to you, especially with the holidays. I really want everybody, as many people as I can, to get a prize, and, you know, just for fun, just to, you know, friend mail. So I'm going to be working on that. Hopefully today I could start doing that. And I have to mail out some packages too. So anyway, guys, I hope you're all doing good, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye, I love you.